Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning all of you. So let's continue our chapter number 11, area and its boundary. People everywhere. Question number A. You can play this game in a ground. So you have to play this game in a ground. Make two squares of 1 square meter each. Now you have to make two squares whose area should be 1 square meter or 100 square centimeter. As we all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we can say 1 square meter or 100 square centimeter. Now divide your class into two teams ready to play. So try this in your team. So you have to write here that how many of you can sit in 1 square meter. Now next is how many of you can stand in it. So you have to mention how many of you can sit here and how many of you can stand. You have to mention here then which team could make more children stand in their square. How many? So you have to now tally with the next team and you have to write here that which team make more children stand in their square and how many. Now next is which team could make more children sit in their square. How many? Now we have to note it down that how many. Which group could make more children sit in their square and how many. Now question B is measure the length of the floor of your classroom in meters. Also measure the width. Now suppose this is your classroom. So you have to measure the length and width means breadth. So you have to measure the length and breadth of your class and you have to note it down what is the area of the floor of your classroom in square meters. So we can find the area of classroom in square meters. Okay, we cannot find in centimeter. We can write in meters. So we have to find the area and we have to note it down here. Then how many children are there in your class? So you have to note it down here that how many children are there in your class. Then how many children can sit in 1 square meter. Now you have to note it down that in 1 square meter how many of the children can sit. Now if you want to move around easily, then how many children do you think should be there in 1 square centimeter? So you can see in this picture that if we have to make the children, if the children move around easily, so how many of the children can sit in 1 square meter? We have to note it down here. Now can you imagine how big a square of side 1 kilometer? So we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? So one side is given that is 1 kilometer. Now it has an area of that square kilometer. So we have to find the area. So how we will find? Area of square is side multiplied by side, right? So side is 1 kilometer. So 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1 square kilometer. So answer is 1 square kilometer. Guess how many people can live on that? Now in West Bengal there are about 900 people living in a square kilometer. So in West Bengal 900 people are living in this much area, but in Arunachal Pradesh it feels very lonely. There are less than 15 people living in a square kilometer. So here in West Bengal 900 people are living in square kilometer area and in Arunachal Pradesh less than 15 people are living in a square kilometer area. Now share the land. Nasrina is a farmer who wants to divide her land equally among her 3 children, Chumki, Jumri and Imran. She wants to divide the land so that each piece of land has 1 tree. Her land looks like this. So we can see here her land and we have to divide this land into 3 equal parts in such a way that every part should have 1 tree. So we can count here there are 10 boxes. So length will be 10 and 10 units, right? And this side 9 boxes are there, so 9 units. Now we will find the area. So area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So length is 10 and breadth is 9. So 10 nines are 90 and unit will be square unit. So you have to divide this length equally and every part should have 1 tree. So we can divide it like this. So we have to count how many total boxes are there in each length. So there are 30 boxes in each length. So we have divided it into equal parts. Now can you divide the length equally? So yes, we have divided the length equally. Show how you will divide it. So we have shown that how we will divide it. Remember, each person has to get a tree. Color each person's piece of land differently. If each square on this page is equal to 1 square meter of land, how much land will each of her children get? So now it is given here that 1 square is equal to 1 square meter of land. So now we have to find the total area. So we have to count here that how many boxes are there, how many squares are there here. So we can count that there are 30. So area will be 30 square meter. So this side is also 30 square meter and this side is also 30 square meter. So answer will be area is equal to 30 square meter. Now Chunki, Jhumri and Imran need wire to make a fence. So we have discussed earlier that fence means we have to find the perimeter. So who will need the longest wire for fencing? So we have to find fencing means we have to find the perimeter. Now we will note it down. This side 3 boxes are there, so 3 meter. Then we have to note it down here. So there are 7, so 7 meter. Now this side is 1 meter, then 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 this side is 5 boxes are there, so 5 meter, and this side is 9 meter. So now we have to add all the sides. So perimeter we have found, that is 28 centimeter. In the same way we have to find this side and this side. This side is 7, this side is 5 meter, then this side is 3 meter, then this side is 2 meter, then we have to find this side. So it is 6 meter and this side is 1 meter and this sides we have written already. So now we have to add all that. So total is 28 centimeter. Now in the same way we will find this side. So this is 2 meter, then this is 9 meter and this is 4 meter and this side we already have found. So we will add all this. So total will be 26 centimeter. So who will need the longest wire? So this two, that is Chumki and Jhumri. So answer will be Chumki and Jhumri. Now how much wire in all will the tree need? So now we have to add all the perimeters. So we will add 28 plus 28 plus 26. So answer will be 82 meter. Now look at the table. If you were to write the area of each of this, which column would you choose? Make a tick. So square centimeter, square meter and square kilometers are given. So first is handkerchief. So we can find the area of handkerchief in square centimeter. Now sari. So we buy the clothes in meter. So square meter. Now page of your book. So it will be centimeter. Now school land. So school land is very big. So it will be in kilometer. Now total land of city, so it will be also in kilometer. Now door of your classroom, so it will be in meter. Now chair seat, so it will be in centimeter. Then blackboard, so blackboard is in square meter. Then Indian flag, so Indian flag is in centimeter. And land over which a river flows, so it is also very big, so it will come in square kilometer.